Did you know? Your teeth might be rotting right now without you even feeling a thing. No pain, no cavities, but deep inside, the decay has already started. And by the time you notice it, it might be too late to save your tooth. Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Teeth TV, where your smile is our mission. Today we're uncovering 7 hidden signs of tooth decay that dentists say most people completely ignore until it's too late. Stick with me until the end, because number 7 might actually save your teeth. You brush, you floss, you chew mint gum, but your breath still stinks. Why? Because decay releases sulfur compounds, and these gases smell horrible. So if your bad breath sticks around despite good hygiene, it's time to see a dentist. It's not your lunch, it's your teeth warning you. Not hot, not cold, sweet. If sugary foods, like candy or soda, cause a sharp zap in your tooth, that's a red flag. Early decay breaks down enamel and exposes the inner layer called dentin, which reacts to sugar. And the pain? It's like your tooth saying, "Help me." Ever noticed a shadow or brownish dot on your tooth? Tried brushing it off, but it won't go away? That's not food. That's demineralization, the early stage of decay. And if ignored, it spreads deep into the tooth. Don't wait until it hurts. A small filling now is better than a root canal later. Imagine tasting metal or something sour all the time. It's not your diet. It could be bacterial activity from decay. Your mouth is full of signals, and a strange taste might be a sign of trouble brewing beneath the surface. Okay, so run your tongue across your teeth. Do you feel any tiny holes? Maybe some rough edges? You know, decay often starts as soft spots or pits. You might not see them in the mirror, but you can feel them if you pay close attention. These little pits are silent destroyers, slowly eating away at your enamel day by day. So bleeding gums means gum disease, right? Well, yes, but here's the thing. Gum disease and tooth decay actually go hand in hand. Bacteria honestly don't care where they attack. Gums, teeth, bone, it's all the same to them. If your gums bleed easily, don't just brush it off. It might mean bacteria are already invading your mouth. This one's pretty sneaky. There's no pain, no hole, no obvious cavity, but something just feels off. Maybe your tooth feels heavier, or maybe it feels kind of numb. You might notice it most when you bite down. That dull, weird feeling? That's actually your tooth dying slowly. It's the final warning before a full-blown infection, so don't ignore it. So, honestly, which of these signs have you felt but ignored? Drop a comment and let me know. And if even one of these sounds familiar to you, please see your dentist. Early action saves money, time, and of course, your smile. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who, never goes to the dentist. And be sure to watch this next video, 10 brushing mistakes that are ruining your teeth. Seriously, it's a must-see. Stay healthy, stay smiling. This is Healthy Teeth TV, signing off.